You just found the 2022 Toyota Prius. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this stylish and practical Prius. It's a superb blending of the latest safety and infotainment tech, industry-leading efficiency, and smooth riding comfort. With Prius's striking good looks and available all-wheel drive, you'll have the confidence to follow wherever the road leads. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. This is the ideal time to take advantage of the Prius's cost-saving fuel efficiency, and we're here to make it easy for you. Come in for a test drive today.